Well, there are many ways how to set up React application. The easiest and the fastest by far would be using Create React App Tool built by Facebook developers. It allows us to focus on building our apps right from the get-go instead of spending our time on configuring build tools. If you're interested in reading more about Create React App, just type Create React App in your browser search, and the first thing that's gonna pop up will gonna be their GitHub repo. I do want to let you know that technically we could have built everything ourselves, but what makes Create React so useful is the fact that it comes with tools like Babel and Webpack pre-configure, saving us precious time and shielding it from unnecessary details. Well, we're still on a subject. Babel is a JavaScript transpiler that converts the newest JavaScript into good old JavaScript, the ES6.5, that can run in any browser. And what is really awesome is that it includes all the new ES6 features like classes, arrow functions, and many others. Well, Webpack does a lot of other things as well. Essentially, Webpack works as a module bundler. The main features of Webpack would be bundling our resources, watching for changes, and rerunning the task, and running Babel transpilation.